Come to the sixth transaction. The transaction is cash paid to Gayatri. So in our sixth transaction also we have to fulfill the three rules. Now let us satisfy the first rule, that is personal account. In our cash paid to Gayatri is nothing but she is the name. So we can consider it as a personal account. After indicating him a personal account as a Gayatri name, after that we have to identify again two systems. Two system is nothing but debit as well as credit. That means Gayatri is relating to a name of the person. Name of the person is comes under into a name of personal account. And in our personal account, we have to take either debit or credit. So again, we have to consider both accounting systems. Like two Gayatri is nothing but Gayatri is receiving. According to the personal account, receiver is always there in debit side. So we can take Gayatri as debit side because of she is the receiver. According to the personal account, receiver is always there in debit side of the personal account. After that, we have to cancel the personal account and come to the next account, that is real account. Real account goes to the names of sales, cash and asset. Here we have cash. So the cash is relating to real account. Under the real account, again we have to identify two systems. Cash paid is nothing but it is a payment. Payment is nothing but again it is goes out. So in real account, goes out is there in credit side. So we can take it as credit side. So the cash is goes in credit system. Now we can convert the transaction into entry. Before that again we have to check. To Gayatri. Gayatri is nothing but she is the receiver. According to the personal account, name is indicating to the rule to satisfy the Gayatri. It is she is going to debit or credit. So that's the reason to Gayatri. To Gayatri is nothing but she is receiver. According to personal account, we can convert the Gayatri into our personal account as debit side and come to the next rule, that is credit system. So that according to the credit system, not only according to the credit system, according to the real account, cash is goes out. So if the cash is goes out, according to real account, goes out is always there in credit side. So two values are equally converted. So we can convert the transaction into entry as 2013-19 March 6 Gayatri account data to cash account, and the worth of transaction is 500. Worth of transaction 500 and narration being cash paid to Gayatri. Then underline the narration and come to the seventh one. See the seventh transaction. Checks paid into SBI. SBI is a artificial person. It is a artificial person. So artificial person is also part of personal account. Under the personal account, again we have to take debit and credit. Into bank is nothing but bank is receiving. According to personal account, artificial person and all physical persons are relating to personal account. Under the personal account, debit the receiver and credit the giver. So into SBI is nothing but SBI is receiving. So SBI is receiving according to personal account. In debit side, we have to convert the SBI into credit debit system. The next one, checks paid. So one rule is personal account is completed, and next one, real account. So real account is nothing but sales, cash and checks. So we can take check is also a part of non-cash payment. So non-cash payment is nothing but we are paying check. Paying check is nothing but check is goes out. So goes out we can identify it. Goes out is there in real account. Goes out is a part of real account. Under the real account, checks will be converted into credit side. According to real account, goes out is there in credit side. That's the reason I will convert the checks into I can identify the checks as a non-cash payment. After identify non-cash payment, cash is means check is goes out. If the check is goes out we can identify in real account under credit side. We have identified two systems. First one is debit side. SBI bank is receiving. According to personal account, receiver is debit side. According to real account, cash is goes out. That will be converted into credit side. Now enter the transaction into entry as SBI account data to check will be converted into bank of check account. Transaction worth is 600. Addition being posted into SBI. And come to the 8th one, and the name of the transaction is purchase Visionary. Personal account, real account, nominal account. Come to the first one, personal account names. So names are not there, so we can cancel the personal account. Come to the real account, that is relating to sales cash asset. Here we have Visionary. Visionary is a part of asset. So assets are goes to real account. Under the real account, you can identify two values. Purchase Visionary. We are purchasing Visionary. So the Visionary is comes in. Visionary is comes in. According to real account, comes in is there in debit side. So one rule is we are converted. So we can cancel again nominal account. Because of the rule is completed, now we can cancel also. And come to the next one, that is nominal account. Nominal account is relating to expenses. Expenses is like payment, purchase, paid. These are all converted into nominal account. Purchase is nothing but it is a expenses. Expenses are there in nominal account. Under the nominal account, expenses are there in again debit side. Nominal account relating to expenses. Under the nominal account, expenses are there in debit side. That is the reason we can identify the two values. We can identify one also. First one is debit one and second one is debit one. So according to the base, we have to take any one. So according to the rules, first one is real account. Now we can give first chance to Visionary. After the debit one, we have to take second option. So no need to take purchase Visionary in debit side. We can take the debit side as Visionary because of sequence satisfied rule is important. First one is real account. So first one is Visionary is a part of real account. We have to take. And it will also debit side. According to nominal account, purchase is goes to also a rule of debit side. So we have to give first preference to name of the asset. So that's the reason I am taking the Visionary as a part of first rule of entry and convert the entry Visionary account data. Purchase made in the form of cash only because of there is no non-cash payment. So we can consider it as a cash payment. Cash is goes out. According to real account, cash is goes out. That's the reason I credit the cash transaction. And the worth of transaction is 500. Being purchase Visionary payment made by cash. And come to the 9th one. transaction is motor car sold. Again we have to take 3 examples. Motor car, there is no name of the person, so we can cancel the personal account. Come to the real account, that will be relating to sales, cash and asset. Here we have sales. It is called, sorry, here we have sold, we will call as sales. And one more, motor is also a part of asset. Both values we are considered here. So anything, anyone we have to consider. We are selling motor car. So motor car is goes out. We are selling motor car, so the motor car is goes out. According to real account, goes out is there in credit side and the real account. We are selling motor in terms of getting written as cash. Return from cash. So the cash is comes in. We are selling motor is goes out according to real account, goes out is credit side. We are selling motor car in the form of getting cash to our business. So the cash is comes in. So comes in is nothing but cash goes to real account, debit side. Now the entry as cash account data to motor car account, worth of transaction 600. After the entry, narration B, motor car sold for cash.